Owls have fascinated humans for thousands of years. Some cultures believed they were symbols of wisdom. Others feared them as mysterious creatures of the night. But what if I told you that owls can fly almost completely silently, rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, and hear prey hiding beneath deep snow? These incredible birds are far more extraordinary than most people realize. And the final fact in this video may completely change the way you think about owls forever. Let's discover 10 amazing facts about owls you probably didn't know. Owls live on every continent except Antarctica. Scientists have identified more than 250 different owl species, ranging from tiny owls smaller than your hand to giant eagle owls with wingspans over 6 feet. Most owls hunt at night, using some of the most advanced senses found anywhere in the animal kingdom. They are among nature's most efficient hunters. Let's begin with our first incredible fact. Fact number 10: owls can turn their heads up to 270 degrees. One of the most famous owl facts is true. Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. Unlike humans, they have 14 neck vertebrae instead of 7. Special blood vessels also help maintain blood flow to the brain while the head is turned. People often think owls can spin their heads all the way around. They can't. But their impressive flexibility allows them to look almost directly behind themselves without moving their bodies. This gives them an enormous advantage while hunting. Their flexible neck is impressive, but their hearing is even more incredible. Fact number 9: owls can hear prey beneath snow. Many owl species hunt animals they can't even see. How? Their ears are positioned at slightly different heights on each side of the head. This allows them to detect exactly where a sound is coming from. Even if a mouse is moving beneath snow, leaves, or tall grass, an owl can calculate its location with astonishing accuracy. Some species catch prey in complete darkness using hearing alone. It's like having built-in surround sound. But hearing isn't the only secret weapon owls possess. Fact 8: owls fly almost completely silently. Most birds make noticeable sounds while flying. Owls are different. Their feathers have special soft edges that break up the sound of rushing air. This allows them to glide through the night almost silently. Their prey often never hears them coming. Scientists have even studied owl feathers to improve the design of quieter airplanes, wind turbines, and fans. Nature once again inspires modern technology. Flying silently helps, but seeing in the dark is equally important. Fact number 7: owls have incredible night vision. Owls don't have magical vision. But they do have enormous eyes specially adapted for low light. Their eyes collect far more light than human eyes. This allows them to see clearly during dawn, dusk, and nighttime. However, owl eyes cannot move inside their sockets. That's one reason they need such flexible necks. Instead of moving their eyes, they move their entire head. It's a perfect example of evolution solving a problem in an unexpected way. One more thing makes owl eyes even more unusual. Fact number 6: owl eyes aren't actually eyeballs. Surprisingly, owl eyes are not round like ours. They are shaped more like tubes. This unique shape allows them to gather even more light. The downside is that the eyes are fixed in place. They cannot look left or right without turning their heads. Although this sounds like a disadvantage, the extra light gathering ability gives owls outstanding vision in darkness. For a nighttime hunter, that's a worthwhile trade-off. So far we've learned that owls can rotate their heads, hear prey beneath snow, fly almost silently, and see remarkably well in the dark. But the next 5 facts are even more incredible. Did you know some owls hunt fish, others are smaller than a coffee cup, and one fascinating behavior helps scientists understand the health of entire ecosystems. Fact number 5: some owls hunt fish. When people think about owls, they usually imagine them catching mice. But not all owls hunt the same prey. The Blakiston's fish owl, one of the largest owls in the world, specializes in catching fish. Instead of silently diving through forests, it waits near rivers and streams. When a fish comes close to the surface, the owl strikes with its powerful talons and lifts the fish out of the water. Some fish owls also catch frogs, crabs, and other aquatic animals. Their hunting strategy is completely different from that of most other owl species. Some owls are giants, but others are unbelievably small. Fact number 4: the smallest owl is smaller than your hand. The elf owl is the smallest owl in the world. It measures only about 13 to 15 centimeters long and weighs less than a tennis ball. Despite its tiny size, it is a fearless hunter. It catches insects, spiders, small lizards, and even scorpions. Scientists have observed elf owls removing the stingers from scorpions before eating them. For such a tiny bird, that's an impressive survival skill. Size may vary, but every owl eats in a very unusual way. Fact number 3: Owls swallow their prey whole. Unlike many birds that tear food into small pieces, owls often swallow their prey whole. Later, their powerful digestive system separates the nutritious parts from bones, fur, feathers, and teeth. The indigestible material is compressed into a small pellet. Several hours later, the owl coughs up this pellet. Scientists often study owl pellets to learn what owls eat and which animals live in a particular habitat. These pellets provide valuable information without harming the birds. Owls don't just help themselves survive. They also help scientists understand nature. Fact number 2: Owls are important indicators of healthy ecosystems. Owls sit near the top of the food chain. Because of this, changes in owl populations often reveal problems in the environment. If pollution increases or prey disappears, owl numbers usually decline. Conservation scientists carefully monitor owl populations to understand the health of forests, grasslands, and wetlands. Protecting owls often means protecting hundreds of other species that share the same habitat. These mysterious birds play a much bigger role than most people realize. And now for our final fact. One of the biggest myths about owls. Fact number 1: Not all owls hoot. Movies often make it seem like every owl says, hoo hoo. In reality, different owl species produce a wide variety of sounds. Some whistle, some screech, some bark, others even make clicking, hissing, or chattering noises. Each sound has a different purpose, such as attracting a mate, defending territory, or communicating with young owls. Scientists have identified dozens of unique calls among different owl species. The world of owl communication is far more complex than most people imagine. Owls are among the most remarkable hunters on our planet. Their silent flight, incredible hearing, powerful vision, and unique adaptations allow them to survive where many other birds could not. The more scientists study owls, the more extraordinary they become. Which owl fact surprised you the most? Did you know some owls hunt fish or that not every owl hoots? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing animal facts every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time as we uncover more incredible secrets from the animal kingdom.